Today we're fishing with Jayson Arman with That's Our Man, land-based fishing charters. Jason's kind of got a unique gig around here. What he'll do is, he's one of the few guys I know of that will teach you how to wade fish or how to access various points that we have on the Treasure Coast that are popular areas to fish from land. He works out of Billy Bones Bait and Tackle down there in Port St. Lucie, so if you're looking for him, that's where to find him. But he's very skilled at wade fishing. He brings the gear, he brings waders for his clients. He'll bring the tackle just like you would if you're going with a fishing guide who was on a boat. Pretty much all you have to do is kind of show up with your drinks and your fishing license, and you're ready to go.
I would say right now we're kind of in the middle of the spring mullet run. So we're using baits like these topwater skitterwalks by Rapala and this Miradine, which is a suspending bait. That's going to imitate a greenie. That's going to imitate a mullet. So both of these have a very good, you're putting yourself in chance you're giving the fish what they want. Sometimes it also really helps to decide on the size of the mullet that the fish are eating. You can change the size of your bait and all of a sudden instantly start catching fish. Kind of slurped it. Didn't really pop it. It's a big old something. Now, for whatever it's worth, this is when a lot of people lose a big trout because they have a very soft mouth. I would say it's very, very important with a big trout to really, really baby them. But in my book, this is what we call starting off the morning. That's how we do it. Good morning. This, I think, is what they call a jackalope, but I could be wrong. But I think it is a jackalope. Now we could make this jack famous and call him a pompano, but we won't. Got that.
Be careful.
Thanks
now.
for soaking me.
One thing about jacks, especially when you're fishing with topwater plugs and all those treble hooks, really be careful when you're deep hooking them. More hooks get buried in hands from taking.
He's saying hello. Fish on. Fish on. Nice trout. Nice trout. Oh, we got a double header! We got a double header! And I think we got two nice trout.
Yeah.
So,
I'll wait till you get yours in. We don't want to bond that long.
oh yeah. These trout are here, and they're pretty much just gorging themselves on these mullet. That's why you're seeing these bigger fish. And now they're hitting bigger baits. Hold on. Oh. And that's how it goes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Need some pliers?
Nope.
Nice fish. He ate the Miralure Miradine.
Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
Sweet.
Gotta get some water on the camera.
It wouldn't be right if we didn't.
Nice going, Jason.
All right.
Spot's okay.
Yeah,
Next time, take us to your A spot.
it works.
If you notice, being a good host that I am, I'm pretty sure I let him outfish me.
Hey, it's 2-to-1, right? Yeah, exactly. It's not like 12 to 1.
But he should, because he spends more time in the water than I do anyway.
That's a wrap. Breakfast.
We get hurt, break something, sleep. Here we are, another edition of Fishing with Ed. Hope you enjoyed it. We're fishing with Jayson Arman from That's Our Man, land-based fishing charters out of Billy Bones Bait and Tackle in Port St. Lucie. for about $100 a person. They'll take up to 2 or 3 people fishing with them. You can fish from bridges, wade fishing, fish from jetties. We have a lot of wade fishing, great wade fishing opportunities up and down the whole Treasure Coast. That's one of the this makes it great about living along here, is that the Treasure Coast and the Indian River Lagoon are ideal locations to be able to get in the water and actually target the species you're trying to catch. By the way, I want to congratulate you for being the first fish, providing we get the footage, the first fish, everybody's going to get erased, on the old Fishing with Ed segment on
Yes.
TC Palm.